Key-value consistency in Python dictionaries. This is probably a noob question. For any dictionary in Python, is this always true? Are the keys and values returned in the same corresponding order?
Yes, it's always true. Guaranteed by Python if there are no intervening modifications to the dictionary. Relevant spec, this URL. This is better generally, both because it protects against the dict going out of sync and uses negligible extra memory. Dict K, V, for K, V and D. Iter items.
Yes, this is a guaranteed behavior smile. The keys and values are listed in the same order as returned by d.items, this URL. Note, in multi-threaded environments it is best to extract d.items all at once rather than risk a mutation between successive calls to d.keys and d.values.
If you're asking whether the keys and values are returned in the same order, the answer is yes. The documentation says, if items, keys, values, iter items, iter keys, and iter values are called with no intervening modifications to the dictionary, the lists will directly correspond. If you're asking whether dict d.keys, d.values, == d will always evaluate to true under all circumstances, the answer is no. You can have multiple threads, with one changing d while the other one is executing d.keys, d.values, or dict ... This will create intervening modifications, invalidating the conditions quoted above.
Yes.